vào bệnh một cách. Hello teacher.
Oh, hello, Jack. Hello, Jack.
Hello teacher.
Okay, Jack. How are you today, Jack?
Good.
Oh, that's good to. Oh, you're the first. You're the first early bird. Wow. Oh, where is Mike, Angel, and
Now is I
wh-
see Mike is stop.
oh, Mike is there?
Teacher.
Mike is there?
Mike,
Okay,
go
Mike
first.
is stupid.
Me.
Oh, don't say bad word. Mike. Oh my God, Mike, be a good boy. Okay, where is
Teacher.
Angel? Hello.
Teacher.
Yes, Johnny. Jack, sorry. Jack, I have.
Mike is go first. Me.
Oh, he is the first. He was the first bird, and you were the second bird. Okay, did you prepare your pen and paper? We need to finish all our exams. We have a lot of exams. Do you have pen and paper already?
No.
Oh, hello, Mike. Mike.
Finish.
Oh, there you have pen and paper already. Where is Angel? Oh my God, Angel and Johnny. Where is Angel and Johnny? Hello, Jack. How are you today, Jack?
I'm good.
Oh, do you have school today?
Yes.
Oh, what did you do?
Playing.
Playing at the school? You're not studying?
No.
What did you do? Do you have what lessons do you have today? Mm,
Listen.
lesson.
Ball.
Oh, you've also played basketball. That's fun. Other than basketball, do you like playing badminton? Badminton. Yes, badminton is popular in Vietnam.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. I want to visit Vietnam when I am free. I want to meet you, Mike and Jack. Do you want to meet me in person? Do you want to meet me in person? Oh my God, no one's listening to me.
Badminton.
Wow, that's a good rocket. I came to the hospital and I have a checkup. I need to take some medicine. Hello, Mike. How are you today, Mike?
We wait for.
Mm. Hello, Mike. How are you today?
I'm good.
Oh, you're good. Did you have your dinner?
Yes.
Oh, what did you eat?
I ate chicken and pumpkin.
Oh, pumpkin. What is made of pumpkin? Pumpkin soup, pumpkin pie.
Pumpkin pie.
Wow, who made pumpkin pie?
It's your daddy.
Your mom?
Yes.
Wow, that's delicious. You know, I haven't tried a pumpkin pie. How does it taste?
Good.
Oh, tastes good. Is that sweet or salty? How does it taste? Sweet
Ah,
or salty?
good.
Oh, hello, Jack. Yes, Jack.
I'm eating chicken.
Or also your dinner is chicken, same like Mike. Why you don't like pork? You don't like eating pork?
No.
You don't like eating pork, Jack?
No.
Why? What's with the pork? Why you don't like pork?
What is tea?
Mm-hmm. How about you, Mike? Do you like eating pork? Mike, do you like eating pork, Mike?
No.
Why? Why you don't like pork? Pork is yummy.
No, is
Dirty?
yes.
Oh, is the Vietnam
Yucky.
it's dirty? Oh,
It's
oh,
yucky.
yucky? How about beef? Do you eat beef?
No.
Oh,
Yes,
why?
it's so yummy.
Okay, but why Mike don't like beef?
Because
Is
I don't like.
oh, okay. You only like chicken?
Because
You only like chicken, Mike?
I'm like sausages.
Okay, I have a new game, class.
No, I don't like them. I just want.
Why? Why you don't like Mike? You enjoy the class. Sit back and relax. Enjoy our class. Oh, don't put it like black. Okay, maybe just two
No,
of you
I
tonight.
say no. It's
Ye-
no.
Yes, yes. We try all the games. We sit back and relax.
Happy, happy, Playing Team 2 and Team 1 is my favorite game.
Wow, favorite game.
Nhầm nhầm mà ta đi xí đi ta đi đi na đi xí bum bye.
Okay, now, class, maybe let's start. Okay, let's wait for 2 minutes. If Angel and Johnny is not entered the class, we still proceed for our exam. Our lesson is much more on reading. How about fish? Do you like eating fish?
No. Yes.
Oh, oh, Mike, why you don't like fish?
I hate
Fish?
fish. I don't like fish. I will
Why?
eat fish.
Oh my God. The new anime, Solo Leveling, is have a second season. Oh my God. One of my favorite anime. Do you know Solo Leveling?
I just know Optimus.
Optimus only?
I like Optimus.
Optimus Prime. Okay. Oh, Optimus Prime.
Optimus Prime.
Yes. You don't like Bumblebee? You
I
don't
like Bumblebee and Megatron.
Megatron? You like Megatron? That is the enemy, the Megatron.
I I like Dixie a panda.
Oh, how about Barbie? Oh,
I
don't
don't like
do that. Don't do that. That's
I
bad,
hate
Mike.
Barbie. I don't like Barbie.
Uh, how Optimus Prime.
Oh.
Come here, come here. Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. May bukol ka ba? Bango mo eh. Bango, bango. My baby smells good. Oh, my baby smells good. Okay, let's start to our lesson. Our lesson for today is Fun for Starters. Practice reading. Okay, please read aloud, Jack. Jack, Jack, please read aloud.
Start first. Reading 15.
Yes, our reading. I will send this to our group chat so they can see that we are gonna proceed. We're gonna start. Okay, there. I will send it here. Wow. Okay, let's start. Now, look, and read. Now, Jack and Mike, part 1. Part 1, 1 to 5. Okay, put on your paper, part 1, 1 to 5. Oh, that's a cute baby. Is that a boy or a girl?
No, it's a girl.
Oh, so pretty. She's so pretty. How old is she?
It's 1.
Oh, 1 years old. Is that like you, Jack, before when you're 1 years old? 1 year old, you're also chubby?
Yes.
But how about now? Why you're not chubby? Are you picky eater? Love you, love you. Okay. Now let's start class to our lesson. Now we are in the reading part. Did you put part 1, 1 to 5, Mike, Jack? 1 to 5. Hello. Okay.
I want to fly. I don't want.
Oh, you need to study, Mike. Oh
No,
my
no, no, no,
God.
no, no, no. No.
Okay, please read the example.
No. But I don't finish my breakfast. No. My dinner.
Oh, dinner. You can eat, no problem. Okay, please read aloud, Mike. The example.
Example, this is a kite. Yes, this is a ear. No.
Yes. Okay, that is the answer. Oh, I remember this one. Did we answer this one? We answered this one. Do you remember, class? No. Did we answer this one? Oh, yes. Did we answer this one? Okay. Okay, wait. Wait. I will find another one.
Diamond.
Kiss mommy. Love you. Love you. Mommy dinosaur? I'm not dinosaur.
T-Rex.
My baby told say mommy dinosaur.
T-Rex.
I'm a T-Rex? Oh my God. I don't know. Okay, reading.
Brachiosaurus. I don't like Brachiosaurus because it's so stupid.
Oh, I will send you a video that my son make a dinosaur clay.
I can make it. I can make the block.
Okay.
Do you know the block?
We already have that lesson. Now let's have this one. Part 16. Okay, here we are. Part 16.
Teacher.
Yes. Okay, we're now in a part 16. Let's start our lesson so we can finish. Okay, on time. Practice reading. Okay, part 1. What's that? Wow.
Oh, stop it! Stop it!
Oh, don't say bad word, Mike. We're just few in a class. Okay,
No.
please read aloud, Mike, the example answer. This is a car. Is this a yes or no?
Teacher, I don't see the screen.
Oh, you don't see the screen. I will show again.
I just see a Zalo.
Oh, Zalo. Okay, there. Can you see the screen now?
No.
Until now? Why? Okay, there. Can you see now?
No.
Okay, this is a car.
This is a car.
Yes or no?
I don't see the screen.
Oh my God, why? Why you don't see the screen?
I go away.
Oh, Kay is calling. Wait. Mm-hmm.
Car.
Hello, Kay. Hello.
He is
Hello.
mommy teacher.
Why, why, Kay? Why are you calling? Oh, I'm having a lesson. Oh, my other student. Say hello, class.
Hello, class.
Yes. Do you miss me, Kay? Do you miss me? Oh, I miss you too. Okay. Just you want to say bye-bye. Okay, see you tomorrow, Kay. Bye-bye, Kay.
Teacher, he is Johnny.
Oh, there is Johnny. Hello. I'm so happy you're now going. Oh, Johnny, why are you late? Oh my God. Johnny,
Teacher.
where is Angel? What did you do, Johnny?
Teacher.
Mm-hmm.
You live on the America?
I live
You
in
live
America.
America?
No, I live in the Philippines. The 100 islands of the Philippines. I'm also living in Asia. Mm-hmm. Okay, now, can you see? Can you see, Johnny, the lesson? Yes or
Yeah.
no? Oh,
Yeah.
why Johnny can't see the lesson? Hello, sister. Why Mike can't see the lesson?
He's opening my Zalo so he can see your screen.
Oh, only my Zalo. He only see my Zalo. Okay, I will try to share again.
No, I mean that he's opening my Zalo so he can't see your screen.
Okay. Okay, understand. Okay, Mike, let's go. Let's go, Mike. Let's go to study. Oh, you have a pretty sister, Mike. Oh, you're lucky. You have a pretty sister.
No, I don't think she's pretty. She's naughty. I'm not naughty.
Oh, Mike, you are the one naughty.
No, you are. No, my sister is stupid.
Oh, don't say bad word, Mike. That's
No,
bad.
no.
Oh, no, love your sister. No, don't say that. Okay, please read aloud, Mike. Can you please read the example? This is my car.
This is a car. No, it's yes.
Okay, what is the correct answer? Yes or no? Yeah.
No.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Next.
Stupid.
This is a goat.
This is a poop.
Oh, don't say bad word. Okay, what is this?
Cow.
It's a cow. Okay. Now let's have question number 1. Okay, Johnny, did you start writing part 1, 1 to 5? Mm-hmm. Okay, part 1, 1 to 5. Let's have question
Let's
number
have a
1.
reward.
Wait, we're just starting yet. You're so excited with the reward. Okay,
Where is Angel?
I don't know where's Angel. Maybe she enter later, or she have.
He is playing.
Okay, later we play game. Okay, Johnny, where are you, Johnny? Oh my God, Johnny. Johnny,
Chúng ta đi vào.
where are you, Johnny?
Chúng lại phía sau. Đi bọn chúng tôi.
This is the water.
Oh, what's that? Number 1, this is a sofa.
It is a sofa.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, it's yes. Now, put your answer number 1. If this is a sofa, yes, put a check.
A sofa.
And
It's a sofa.
yes, put a check. And if it's wrong, put a cross. Is everything clear?
No, not clear. It's just stupid.
Oh, don't say bad word, Mike. Love one another.
Step back.
No.
Okay, are you done, Jack? Please.
No, I'm not done because
Okay.
I'm stupid.
Oh, don't say bad words, Mike. We love you. Okay, are you done? Number 1. Johnny, Mike, and Jack.
Teacher, you know my mom.
Mom?
Yes.
I know your
You know
mom.
my mom. But
Okay,
you know my mom. Huh?
I don't understand, Mike. What are you meaning? Oh my God. I need to be to have a cute face. Okay, there. Okay. Are you done? Number 1. Okay, next.
One is a contact.
Where is Johnny and Jack? Why are you living at your seat?
Teacher.
Okay, are you done? Number 1. Let's proceed to the next page. Number 2. Please read aloud number 2, Jack. Number 2, this is?
Allow me. Yes, sir.
Okay, it's yes. Number 3, Mike. Okay, very good. Mike, what is number 3? Number 3, this is? Mike, number 3, Mike. Please read aloud number 3, Mike. This is a lizard.
This is a lizard. No, it's not a lizard.
What is this?
It's a
Yes, correct. It's a fur. Oh, next. Number 4, Johnny. This is a bathroom.
No.
Oh, what is this?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, number 5. This is a bird. Yes, this is a bird. Okay, are you done? Put check if it's correct and cross if it's wrong.
Tôi không thể biết đâu. Chuông thôi. Đúng vậy, chuông thôi. Cuma makan tuh. What teacher?
Okay, are you done? 1 to 5. Okay, please finish this one so we can proceed to part 2.
I'm moving.
Oh, don't say bad words, Mike. We love you.
Huh?
We
No,
love
Dia
you.
belum.
we
Hah?
hate you.
Oh, okay. Are you done, Jack? Please finish this one, Johnny. Finish?
Yeah.
Finish?
Teacher.
Okay, let's proceed to the next.
Teacher.
Oh, okay, wait. Okay, let's wait for Jack. Oh, Liam, sleep na. Sleep. Sleep, Liam. Sleep here. Sleep.
What?
I'm making my baby to sleep.
Nah, don't do that.
No, I will do that because I'm stupid.
Oh, don't say bad words, Mike.
But I clever.
Oh, you're clever.
Did I finish?
Okay, Jack, are you done? Don't just put check if it's correct and cross if it's wrong.
What? Finish.
Okay, next let's have part 2. Okay, please look and read, right? Yes or no. Please read aloud the example, Jack. 2 boys.
Playing basketball.
Mhm.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, next. Johnny, there is a cat.
There is a cat in the garden.
Yes or no?
As you
Yes.
playing.
Okay.
No.
Oh, no.
No,
Where
no,
where
no,
is the
no.
cat?
No. The cat is on the window.
Very good. Okay, next. Let's proceed to the next. Now let's have part 2. Class, please put part 2, 1 to 5. Okay, part 2, 1 to 5. And please answer the question. Are you done? Let's proceed to question number 1. I will answer this one. Question number 1. One of the children is wearing jeans. One of the children is wearing jeans. Okay, the answer is no. Next, number 2. Johnny, please read aloud number 2.
What?
Please read aloud number 2.
Number 2 is a man is painting at the window.
A
Yeah.
man is okay. Yes or no? Yes. Next. Oh no, what is the man doing? He's not painting, Johnny. He have a
Washing the window.
cleaning the
Cleaning.
window. Okay, number 3. Mike, number 3.
Why? There is a kite in the tree. Yes. No. Yes.
Okay, it's yes. Next, number 4, Jack. Some chickens are drinking water. Some chickens are drinking water.
Yes. No.
Or, okay, what's the chickens doing?
Look.
He is running.
Okay, running. Next. Okay. Next, number 5. Who wants to answer number 5, class?
Hey. Hello. Hello.
Who wants to answer number 5?
Teacher, look at this. Hi.
Okay, Johnny, number 5. The dog has got.
Teacher, look at this.
The dog has got short leg.
Hi.
Yes. Okay, the answer is yes. Okay,
Teacher, look at this. This is a
hands. Hands.
no.
Oh, it's a oh don't do that, Mike. That's bad.
Sorry.
Oh, don't do that. Don't do that, Jack. Don't follow Mike. Mike, oh, stop doing that. Oh my God. Okay, please finish this one. Part 2. Part 2. Okay, oh, don't do that, Jack. Don't follow Mike. Okay, please finish this part 2.
Okay.
I
Nine.
Okay, done. Are you done?
My big yeah.
Oh, don't do that, Mike. Okay, done. Jack.
Yeah. I'm coming.
Okay, finish, Johnny.
I've been it.
Okay, how about Jack and Mike? Finish?
Yes.
Okay. Jack, are you finished?
No, di sita pa ifi dakati ita dida 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 bita pi a c dikidi yo yo whoa ba yo 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 teacher,
Yes.
do
Okay,
you
finish.
know you know in the ocean is really big.
Yes, I know. That is one of the
This
biggest.
is really big. Earth is really big. But black hole is big. Super big. Bigger than the sun.
Mm.
Sun
Yes.
is really tiny.
No, the sun is big. Sun
No,
is
the sun is tiny with the hole. The hole is like this, and this is a sun like this.
oh,
And this
there's a
is a black
core.
hole.
A core.
Black
So
hole.
yes, where did you know that, Mike?
Because I just know because I think the black hole is bigger than the sun.
Oh, okay.
And
So
the sun is look like this. And this is the black hole, and I think it's like that.
wow. Wow, you know a lot. But how about you, Mike? What do you like, sun or moon?
I like black hole.
Oh, the black hole.
Black hole can like this is black hole and this is the earth.
Mm-hmm. Oh, what will happen to Earth if the sun and Earth crash? What
No, this
happened?
is the black hole and this is
The sun
earth.
is big in hot.
Yes,
It-
it's burning a fireball. Okay, are you done, Jack?
This is a sun and this is a black hole. The sun
Yes.
is stuck in the black hole.
Black
Mhm.
hole and the sun.
And this is a black hole. This is the sun.
Yes. Okay, are you done,
And this
Jack?
is the earth. This is a black hole.
Jack, are you done?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let's proceed to part 3. Okay, please look at the picture, look at the letters, and write the correct words. Let's have the example, Mike. This one, what is this, Mike?
What?
What is this, the example?
What? What did you mean? I don't know what did you mean. Example is the egg. Me.
Yes. Okay, next, number 1. Please answer, Mike, number 1.
Meat.
Okay, please spell meat. Spell meat. Spell meat. Miam, give me water. Give me water. I'm thirsty. Miam.
Teacher, I
Nak,
finished. Teacher, I
give me
finished.
water. Give me water, Nak.
Teacher, I finished.
Okay, the answer is number 1 is meat. Okay.
It's so easy.
Yes, so easy. Okay, are you done, class? Are you done?
Yes.
Next, let's have part 3, 1 to 5. Please answer number 2. Johnny. This is
Milk.
milk. Okay, next, number 2. Number 3. Jack. Onion. Okay, number 4, Mike. What is this? Number 4. Miam, give me
This
water.
is a star.
Number 4.
Number 4.
Mhm.
Number 4 is the bread.
Yes, very good. And number 5 is potato. Potato. Give me water. Get water. Thirsty. Get water. Thirsty. Thank you.
Teacher, who is that?
My son, my baby.
Baby is
Thank you.
1 years old.
No, he is 5 years old.
No, the baby is 1,000 years old.
I want him to be my baby forever. Aww. Aww.
Teacher, how many minutes?
My
Bye.
baby
Teacher.
have a condition. He have
Teacher.
ADHD. He is delayed to a normal
Teacher, I
child.
finished.
Oh, puppy. Oh my God, Johnny. You have already a pet. Congratulations. Is that your first pet, Johnny?
He is go.
It is
Liam, put it back. Put it back. Put it there. Bilisan mo. Faster, faster. Put it back. My son have a ADHD condition. He is not normal in a normal at his age. Yes, but I'm still keep supporting of his behaviors.
Johnny has a pet. His name Manny.
Okay, are you done, class? Part 3?
I sound.
Oh, how about Johnny? Are you done?
Teacher, I'm done.
Okay, let's proceed to part 4. Okay, read this. Please read aloud the first paragraph, Mike.
I in a house. In the on in the
Okay,
house.
where? Okay, the answer is, what's the answer? Oh, we have
I
already
think
house.
it's a house.
I'm a house. I'm in a house on in a where?
A school.
Mm-hmm. Okay, what's the answer, Mike?
I don't know.
Okay, the answer is school. Okay, number 2, Jack. Number 2, please answer number 2.
It's you.
Okay, your turn, Jack. Number 2.
What?
Number 2.
Number 2. Let me see. I am on a table or a letter. No. Chair.
Yes. I
Chair.
sit on a chair. Correct. Next, number 3, Johnny.
At the
Mhm.
children.
Okay, all the
Children.
letters. Okay, the answer is letters. Next, number 4. Letters of the alphabet are on me. Games can learn. Games, okay. Games can learn with me. Okay, games.
Teacher, I
Okay,
finished.
children.
Teacher, I finished.
Okay, how? Oh, you're finished and we're not done yet answering. Oh my God. We're on the number 5. Okay, who wants to answer number 5, class?
Me.
Okay, yes. Playing.
Playing a guitar.
There's no guitar there.
Kids.
Okay, the games. Okay, correct. Now, this is, please read aloud, Johnny. Please read aloud the paragraph. I am in a house on.
I am in a house in a school. I am on the table or a desk. A person sit on a chair in front of me. Letters of
Mhm.
the alphabet are on me. Children
Mhm.
can
Learn.
learn with me at and they like playing game on me. But
Mhm.
I am a computer.
Very good. Okay, correct. Perfect. Now, Mike, your turn. Please read aloud.
What? We're
The
around.
the whole sentence.
I am in the house on in a school. I am on the table or a desk. The
Mhm.
person sit on a chair. In front of me, there all the letters of the alphabet are on me. children can learn with me.
Mm-hmm.
They like play games on me.
Mm-hmm. Okay, very good. Now, Jack, please read aloud.
Teacher, two.
Oh, wow.
I have to
Wow.
the
Okay, please read aloud, Jack. I am in a house.
Teacher, I 1 years old.
Jack, please read aloud, Jack, so we can proceed to the next part.
Can learn with me
Mhm.
and the look playing games on me. What am I am
Mm-hmm. Okay, where are you, Jack? Please read aloud, Jack, so we can proceed the next part. Go.
have 1 and 2.
I am in a house. Jack. Jack, please read aloud. We are in a reading part. I am in a house. Please read the whole sentence.
I am on a table. A bed is on the chair in front of me. A letter of your F,
Alphabet.
alphabet are on me. Children can learn with me and they like playing game on me. What am I? I am
Very good. Okay, next. Let's have part 5. Okay, please read aloud the example, Johnny. Where is it?
Where is it? I'm not sure.
Mm-hmm. Okay, next. Mike, how many bags? Mike,
What?
how many bags?
1, 2.
Okay, very good. Question number 1, Jack. Please answer number 1. What is Jack? Number 1.
Number 1 is how my back in yeah.
What is the man doing? What is the man doing, Jack?
My eyes go out.
Okay, please answer this one. Okay, the answer number 1 is reading. Reading. Okay. Next, number 2. Okay. Who is the man talking to?
Talking to the boy.
Okay, number 2, the boy or child. Next, number 3, what has the girl got? What has the girl got? Johnny? The girl got?
Happy.
Uh-huh. No. What's the girl got, Jack?
You girl got? I don't know.
What is the girl got?
The doll.
Okay, the
Doll.
doll. Okay, or toy. Okay, now please answer this one. Answer this one, class. Oh, you're not making your exam, Jack? Finish this one so we are done with our lesson. Yes. We finish our lesson. This is the last part. Okay, now finish this one so we can have a game.
Yeah.
Okay, are you done? Okay, number one, the answer is, what's the answer number one? Reading. Jack, number one is reading. Number two is boy. Number three is doll.
Finish.
Okay, next, number four. Please answer number four, Jack. Where is the bag?
The back is on the bed.
Okay, bed. Mike, what has the man got in his hands?
On the bed.
Mm-hmm.
The shirt.
Okay, a woman's shirt. Okay, now please answer this one.
What what has the man got in his hand?
Mm-hmm.
Shirt.
Shirt. Very good.
Two
Correct.
teacher, it have two answer in shirt.
Shirt or blouse?
Teacher, I finished.
Okay, are you done, Johnny? Are you done, Mike?
I finished.
Okay, we are done. Bye-bye, friends.
Play
Goodbye.
again. Me, team one.
Okay. Who will be my partner? Who? Partner. Who wants to be my partner? Okay, let's play a game. Wait. I have a new game. This one.
One and team two.
Okay, this one.
Thank you.
Okay, there. Can you see now? Oh, what? Where is it? There. There. Team 1 is Johnny and Jack. Team 2 is Mike and me. Okay?
Okay. One.
Okay, 1.
Right.
Gray. Yes, it's gray. Next. What number, Mike?
2.
2. Oh my God, you're lucky, Mike. We win 50 points. Your turn.
4.
4. Okay. How many robots?
Robot. One robot.
Okay, 1. Correct. What number, Mike?
11.
Okay, 11. How many balls?
3.
Yes. Team 2.
3.
Okay, 3. What color is it?
White.
White. Okay, next. Mike.
8.
8. Okay, what is it?
9.
Oh my God. 8. Oh my God. Okay, your turn.
6.
So, 9. Okay, 9. How many mice?
2 miles.
Okay, 2 mice. Perfect. Okay, next.
7.
7. How many bananas?
4.
4. Correct. Okay, next.
6.
6. Okay, how many birds?
9 birds.
9 birds. Yes. Mike. Mike.
12.
Okay, 12. What is it? 12?
12.
Snake.
Snake.
Snake. Okay, next.
5.
5. Okay. What is it?
It's black and white.
Zebra. Yes. Next. Mike.
10.
10. Okay, what is it? What color?
Blue.
Blue. Okay, 14.
14.
Oh my God. Double points for team 1. Next, Mike.
16. 16.
16. Okay, what is it?
Red.
Red. Okay. Last 2.
30. 30. 30.
13.
30.
Orange.
Orange.
Orange. Okay, our turn. It's a
Cap.
cap. Very good. Okay. Winner is team 1. Good job, class.
Because
Okay.
it's have 2 people, but that's 1 people.
Okay. No, we are team. No, Mike, we are team. No, we're not lose. Okay, everybody is a winner for me. Don't get disappointed or upset. Okay, now let's have a reward. Okay, thank you for being on time, Mike. And Johnny, Jack, doing homework. Very good. Don't forget your homework, class. I will review it on task. And participating, persistence. Remember last lesson? Okay, next is teamwork and working hard. Okay, our top 1 for today is Mike.
What?
Mike, our top 1. I will give you a penguin. Yes.
I like penguin.
Yes. What penguin is this? What is this? It's a king
Penguin.
penguin. Yes. Okay, top two. Top two is Jack. Jack, our top two. Yes, Jack. I will give you.
Johnny.
Where is the other toy? Okay. Top two is I give you a cute turtle, Jack. Good job, Jack. Well done. Okay, top three is Johnny. Okay, Johnny. Okay, top three, I'll give you a bunny. A cute bunny. Very good, Johnny. Okay, class, thank you. And I hope you enjoy to our lesson. I love you, class. Okay, see you next class.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Good night, Jack. Good
Good
night,
night,
Mike.
teacher.
Good
Bye.
night,
Good night,
Johnny.
teacher. Bye.
Okay, bye.